Hi guys, so Friday afternoon we've been working on this 2017 Smart ForFour. So it's for 4 people. It's not a 2-seater, you can fit 4 people in it. It's coming to us today for the genuine TomTom reversing camera. So this is the Smart ForFour. It goes in the back of the boot lid. We'll jump on round, we'll show you what we've done and then what it looks like on the TomTom display. So this morning when the car came into us, the emblem on the back here was just a simple black, gloss black with the silver Smart logo here. And all we've done here is Richard's had the back panel off of the boot, put a new gloss black panel in with the reversing camera that gets screwed on, and then a new badge logo that gets supplied and stuck on. Wiring loom gets routed through into the back of the car, and then Richard will plug the computer in and code the vehicle to say that we fitted a genuine reversing camera. So these are all genuine parts from Mercedes. This will give you active moving guidelines on the TomTom touchscreen display. So jump on in, we'll show you what it looks like. Right, okay, so we're in the car. I hope you think that the dashboard suits me. It's definitely my kind of colour. If you do, then leave your comments below. So let's just pop the ignition on. This is the Smart TomTom touchscreen system, and you don't really need to have it on, but once it's on like so, you can put the car into reverse. The camera image will flick over onto the TomTom screen. It's not widescreen, it is quite narrow, but you've got this almost a bird's eye view as if you're sitting in the camera and looking out. It's quite a wide angle view on here, which is quite cool. But as soon as you move the steering wheel, or go to move the steering wheel, and I'm not turning the engine on because it's quite noisy, so I'm just going to show you, but as soon as you move the steering wheel like so, you're also going to get the moving guidelines that will show the trajectory. So if the steering wheel looks straight but the wheels are one way to the left or the right, then that will show you the trajectory of when you're driving. So absolutely spot on. Take it out of reverse gear and you can put it into park. It'll stay on as a comfort feature, or you put it into reverse, and then once you've gone from reverse into drive like so, it'll then go into drive and off you go. Now we've already got parking sensors on this particular vehicle. Have we got parking sensors on this? So we've already got parking sensors on this. I haven't even checked, to be honest. And the rear parking sensors are audible, but it's a nice complement to the vehicle having the factory reversing camera, because it just works quite nice and neatly on here. And we do so many of them for the 453 range. That's the 4.2 and the 4.4, and this is another one. So it's a bit unusual for us because obviously we're doing a lot on the Volkswagen, Audi, the German car side of things. So to jump in and do a little smart car every now and again is quite cool, especially when it's genuine parts. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, and follow us on social media. And the website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Have a lovely day and thanks for watching.